Hey guys, I'm Curious Piyush and I'm back with another visual tool which you can use during your brainstorming sessions or team collaborations, and this is called New Product Design. How to use this tool? If you are a moderator, then take an A4 sheet and distribute it to all the team members and divide the sheet into 3 columns like this: 1, 2, 3. Now ask everyone to draw a breakfast item on their sheet. Now it can be just anything. Don't be too strict about it. It can be a food item, or like this is a cup. You can use a plate, a bread, or a slice, or anything, a butter cake, or anything. Then ask them to shift the paper to the person on their right, and now ask ask everyone to draw an appliance at home on the second column. So it can be anything, maybe a microwave or a fan or a tube light or just anything. Again, ask everyone to shift their paper to the person to their right. And now what they have to do is they have to combine these two items and make a new product. Now give them the freedom to use the shape and size. They can increase this shape or make it small or whatever. Have that freedom, and now they have to make a new product out of it. And that new product may not be a logical product. It can be just anything for fun, or it might have a better look or better utility or just anything. So this can be one of the collaboration tools. So let's see what I can do with this. In the first, I drew a breakfast item. Then the second is an appliance. I made a fan. And the third, let me try drawing it and I will show you. I will want to draw maybe. So the idea which comes to my mind is to draw maybe a cup, and here is the cup, and I want to draw this fan inside the cup like this. So this is the fan, and what I want to show here is that this is a self-steering cup, in which if there is a battery here, then this fan will move inside the small fan, and then it can steer the coffee. Ask everyone to stand up and explain this product, what they have made, and you will see that the environment will be funny, people will laugh, and it will help each other to build on each other's idea. Hope you liked it. Do let me know what you think about this. Try it with your team, try it yourself, and see whether it works for you or not, and post your pictures or videos in the comments below, and I will reply on those comments. Thank you for watching, and wait for my third visual tool, which I'll be sharing shortly. Bye bye.